give my review of the 14-day Dr. Bobby
Price
Detox. I have the Tummy Detox. It's made with Cascara sagrada, dandelion root, marshmallow root, rhubarb root, sage leaf, senna leaf, and slippery elm. And the Parasite Cleanse Detox. It's made with black walnut hull, burdock root, cloves, neem leaf, oregano leaf, podarco, wormwood herb, and lavender flowers. The Parasite Candida Cleanse kills parasites and their eggs. It prevents reinfection and growth. It cleanses the blood and supports detox. It supports gut balance and inflammation control, and it calms the digestive and nervous system. So this is my first day. I wanted to talk about the taste. Many people say that it's very, very bitter. I grew up using Golden Seal, so Golden Seal is extremely bitter, and I expected it to taste just crazy bitter like Golden Seal. However, it wasn't bitter for me. I think my taste buds have changed. I have taken some time to reduce my sugar and get off of sugar, and I'm using sugar substitutes. Maybe that's it. I also made my tea on the counter and let it just cool. I didn't put it in the refrigerator, so maybe it's more bitter when you let it cool in the refrigerator. So I took the Parasite Candida Cleanse first, and it was a little bitter, but not too bitter. And I drank it within 1 hour, just a little at a time. And after drinking it, after an hour, I did have a bowel movement. It was formed. And then I started drinking the Tummy Tea Tox, which wasn't too bitter for me. And after I drank that over the course of an hour, I started to urinate a lot. About maybe every 10 to 15 minutes, I started to urinate. And if you can look closely, since I've started the detox, look at that. See, you see that pimple? Okay, since I've started the detox, I've started to see acne popping up on my face, which was not there before. Otherwise, I feel great, and I'm going to try to get some water in so that I can flush out the toxins. And I started out, I'm 215 pounds, and let's see how I do. The Tummy Tea Tox relieves constipation, soothes the digestive tract, reduces gas and bloating, promotes detox of the liver and the health of the liver, promotes detox and liver health, supports gut healing, and balances the gut microbiome.